Unraveling the phrase, tighten up. Hey learners! Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, tighten up. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, how to use it in various contexts, and some examples to enhance your comprehension. Let's dive in. The phrase, tighten up, consists of two words. 1. Tighten, which means to make something more fixed or secured by pulling or twisting. 2. Up, often used to indicate a higher position or intensity. So, the direct meaning refers to making something tighter or more secure. Example, can you tighten up the screws on that chair? It's a bit wobbly. Beyond the literal meaning, tighten up is often used metaphorically in various contexts. Here are a few. 1. Improving efficiency. When someone says they need to tighten up a process, they mean they want to make it more efficient or streamlined. Example, we need to tighten up our morning routine to get to school on time. Enhancing discipline refers to the act of being stricter or more disciplined about something. Example, the coach said we need to tighten up our defense. Reducing expenditure. This could mean cutting costs or spending less. Example, our company needs to tighten up its budget. When you come across the phrase, tighten up, always consider the context in which it's used. This will help you determine whether it's being used literally, as in fixing something, or metaphorically, like improving a process. Example, if someone says, we need to tighten up before the winter storms, they are likely referring to securing their house against potential storm damage. So there you have it. Now, you not only understand the phrase, tighten up, but can also use it confidently in different situations. Remember, English is full of such phrases, and understanding them will make you a more proficient speaker. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.